We have Brandon here. He's going to talk about how to calculate volumes.
Okay, so in a previous video, we talked about what a cubic yard is and how to convert cubic feet into cubic yards. And we know that there's 27 cubic feet in a cubic yard. And so you'll see that number show up a lot today here at the 27. So right here, we're going to talk about a trench in a road. So if you see, this is kind of our roadway here, and this is our trench going down into the road. And we're going to use the same equation that we use for all volumes, which is length times width times height. And so our length of this trench is 20 feet, which is represented here as the length. So length and 20 feet. And then the width, which is 6 feet here. So there's width, and we have 6 feet wide. And then the height of our trench is 9, or it's 9 feet deep is another way to put it, which is the height. So we have 9 feet. So 20 feet by 6 feet by 9 feet divided by 27, which converts it to cubic yards, equals 40 cubic yards. Now we know how much concrete we would need to order, a flowable fill we would need to order if we had to flowable fill that entire trench. Now we got to patch the trench that we just got here. So let's talk about asphalt patching here for a second, and we got to convert this into cubic yards. We'll talk about how to change it into tons so you can order it in another video. So asphalt patching, the part that makes this a little bit tricky though is it's still 20 feet long and it's still 6 feet wide, but now we know it's 6 inches thick of asphalt. The problem is that all measurements must be done in the same unit. So we can't multiply, we can't use this equation over here of height at 6 inches, it'll mess us up. It's not 6 feet deep, it's only 6 inches deep. So the way that we convert inches into feet is to take the 6 inches and divide it by 12, and that's how we convert it to feet. This can be done for any inches that we want. If we divide it by 12, we'll get how many feet it is. So 6 inches divided by 12 equals 0.5 feet. Then we run the same calculation, the length times width times height again. 20 feet by 6 feet wide by 0.5 feet thick, and then we divide it by 27 here to convert it into cubic yards again, which gives us 2.2 cubic yards of asphalt. And then in another video, like we mentioned, we'll teach you how to convert that into tons so you know how much to order.